Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the latest trends and developments in cryptocurrency. In today's video, we'll dive deep into what October 2024 holds for Bitcoin and why this month could be a huge opportunity for investors. With critical global events and market dynamics at play, Bitcoin could be on the brink of significant price movements. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on all things crypto. 1. Overview of the current market conditions, October 2024. As we step into October 2024, the cryptocurrency market remains highly volatile, yet full of potential. Over the past few months, Bitcoin has been fluctuating, facing regulatory pressures and macroeconomic challenges. However, several key factors are coming into play this October that might provide the perfect conditions for a massive breakout in Bitcoin's price. Inflation remains a global concern, and traditional financial systems are showing signs of strain. Investors are looking for safe haven assets, and Bitcoin continues to emerge as a strong candidate. Central banks worldwide have ramped up efforts to control inflation, but this has led to uncertainty in fiat currencies. This uncertainty may push more people toward decentralized assets like Bitcoin. 2. Institutional adoption of Bitcoin in 2024. One of the driving forces behind Bitcoin's potential in October is the increased institutional adoption. Throughout 2024, large-scale financial institutions, including hedge funds, mutual funds, and even pension funds, have been slowly but steadily increasing their Bitcoin holdings. October could be a pivotal month as institutional investors finalize their positions before the year-end, possibly triggering a new wave of demand. Recent reports suggest that global financial giants are seeing Bitcoin not just as a speculative asset but as a viable long-term investment. These institutions bring credibility and large capital flows to the market, both of which are essential for Bitcoin's stability and growth. As this trend continues, Bitcoin could experience increased liquidity and price momentum. 3. Regulatory changes, positive or negative. While regulation remains a double-edged sword in the world of cryptocurrencies, October 2024 could see some favorable developments. Over the past few months, countries like the United States and the European Union have hinted at more balanced regulatory frameworks. Governments are moving toward clearer guidelines, which might attract more institutional and retail investors to the Bitcoin market. The U.S. is particularly key, with its midterm elections occurring soon. Depending on the outcome, we could see more crypto-friendly policies come into effect, giving Bitcoin a much-needed boost. If regulations provide more clarity and protection, this could alleviate some of the fears surrounding crypto, helping Bitcoin flourish. However, it's worth noting that unexpected regulatory crackdowns could have the opposite effect. For example, countries like China continue to take a hard stance against crypto, which could dampen the market's growth potential. 4. Bitcoin's historical performance in Q4. Historically, Bitcoin has shown strong performance in the last quarter of the year. In many previous years, Bitcoin saw price surges during this period as market conditions aligned with increased interest and demand. October marks the beginning of Q4, and there's speculation that we could witness a similar trend this year. Many investors use Q4 as an opportunity to maximize gains before the year ends, driving significant market activity. With Bitcoin's supply being capped at 21 million coins, even a slight increase in demand can lead to price spikes. If history repeats itself, October 2024 could offer lucrative opportunities for Bitcoin investors. 5. Global events influencing Bitcoin. October 2024 is not only a critical month for Bitcoin due to market and institutional factors, but also because of global events. One of the most impactful events is the ongoing geopolitical tensions, particularly in regions like Eastern Europe and Asia. As governments grapple with economic sanctions, currency devaluation, and trade disruptions, Bitcoin is increasingly seen as a hedge against these risks. Additionally, political events such as the upcoming U.S. elections are expected to have a significant impact on the financial markets, including Bitcoin. Depending on which candidates gain power, the regulatory and fiscal policies concerning Bitcoin could change, leading to increased volatility or growth. Another important event this October is the scheduled Bitcoin halving discussion. While the halving won't happen until 2025, the market is already speculating about its impact. The closer we get to the halving, the more we can expect prices to rise as investors look to capitalize on the reduced supply of new Bitcoins entering the market. 6. Technological advancements and Bitcoin's network. Bitcoin's underlying technology has seen considerable improvements throughout 2024. Layer 2 solutions like the Lightning Network are becoming more popular, offering faster and cheaper transactions. This technological advancement could increase Bitcoin's utility as a medium of exchange, further driving adoption. Additionally, new decentralized finance (DeFi) platforms are integrating Bitcoin, allowing holders to use their Bitcoin in a variety of financial services like lending, borrowing, and earning interest. These advancements in infrastructure could attract more users to the Bitcoin network, increasing demand and price over time. Moreover, advancements in Bitcoin's energy efficiency are helping address one of the most prominent criticisms of the network, its environmental impact. With more mining operations shifting to renewable energy, Bitcoin's sustainability is improving, which could attract eco-conscious investors this October. 7. Bitcoin ETFs and their potential impact. One of the most anticipated developments in the crypto market for 2024 has been the approval of Bitcoin ETFs, exchange-traded funds. While some Bitcoin ETFs have already been approved in countries like Canada, the U.S., market is still waiting for a fully regulated Bitcoin ETF. However, there is growing optimism that an approval could happen in October, opening the floodgates for retail and institutional investors alike. If a Bitcoin ETF is approved, it would make Bitcoin accessible to a much broader audience, especially traditional investors who might not be comfortable using crypto exchanges. This increased accessibility could lead to a significant influx of capital into Bitcoin, driving its price up. 8. Favorable market sentiment. Lastly, market sentiment in October is leaning toward optimism. Analysts and influencers in the crypto space are predicting a potential breakout for Bitcoin, with many pointing to a combination of global economic instability and increased adoption as key factors. If sentiment remains positive, more investors are likely to jump in, further driving Bitcoin's price upward. Why October 2024 could be a game changer for Bitcoin. October 2024 is shaping up to be a pivotal month for Bitcoin, with a confluence of factors working in its favor. From increased institutional adoption and favorable regulatory changes to global events and technological advancements, Bitcoin has the potential to see a massive surge in price. However, as with any investment, it's essential to approach with caution. The cryptocurrency market remains volatile, and there are risks involved. But for those who are willing to take the plunge, October 2024 could be a golden opportunity to ride the Bitcoin wave. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more updates and insights on the crypto market. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends who are interested in investing in Bitcoin.